Hi, I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. Today I'll show you how to highlight entire duplicate rows in Google Sheets, not just duplicate cells. This is perfect when you want to quickly spot repeated records like orders, emails, or names. Let's jump in. First, select the full range of your data. Now click Format. Choose Conditional Formatting. Under Format Cells if, choose Custom Formula is. Paste this formula. Just to let you know, all the formulas used in this video will be placed in the video description. Click Done. Instantly, every row that appears more than once is highlighted. Here's what's happening. The formula checks each column in the row. If the same combination of values appears more than once, the row is marked as a duplicate. If your sheet has more columns, just extend the formula. For example, if you also have column D, bonus tip. If you only care about duplicates based on one column, like email, use this instead, and apply it to the whole table. That's it. You now have automatic duplicate row highlighting. If this helped, like and subscribe for more fast Google Sheets tips. I'm Hannah from Sheet Leveler. See you in the next one.